Hello guys, it's Gabriel here again, and today I'm going to be playing another Thomas game. It's called Build an Engine, and you can select it says select the engine that you want to build. And if you're wondering what that sound is, that's my little nephew in the background. So anyway, the two trains that you can pick are either Thomas or Duncan. Hold on, let me turn the sound on. There we go. Alright. Let's do Duncan. Let me fix this camera.
Which Cheerios did you give Ollie? Which Cheerios did you give Ollie? Okay, he wants more. Here, let's eat some more Cheerios.
Just ignore that sound, that's my little nephew in the background.
You want some of these? Ollie. Get some more? Okay.
Alright, and then the last part, he goes away. I kind of wish those connecting rods would move. They don't move very good. Alright, let's do Thomas. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. I didn't mean... There we go. Okay. Alright guys, that was me playing another classic Thomas game. So, without further ado, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out, and it will be good. I will see you guys later. Goodbye. Whoosh.